DJ Elastic,
I could love you every day.
say fame.
I could love you every day. I love you now. Every day I better feel. Baby girl, you be criminal. See the way your love stole me. They do me,
I just feel the new sound every time you come around. You got me in the mood.
oh yeah.
I just feel the new sound every time you come around, baby.
Oh yeah.
You got me feeling good.
I'm feeling good, yeah.
I'm feeling good, yeah.
I don't want nobody else can love me like this. Love it when you love me like this. Only if you love her when they push my button.
I don't want nobody else can love me like this. Love it when you love me like this. Only if you love her when they push my button. When we break up, we go make up. When the trouble come, we go sit up. Loving non-stop, no be sweet talk.
This show is proudly sponsored by LolliCash, which is one of the best and fastest money platform on the market. Hello, welcome back to the Lovers Match Show. And you know, our second episode with someone found love. And I am happy they did find love. And I hope the remaining 9 ladies are going to also find love. And so I'm happy. Ladies, are you ready? Yeah. Okay, single man coming.
Wow! Oh my God!
Oh, hello, darling. Hello, gorgeous. Oh, not you. I'm even confused. Wow. Okay, hi. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
You're fine. So your name, please?
Gospel.
Gospel. What do you do?
I'm a YouTuber and I'm a content creator too as well.
Oh, okay. YouTuber, content creator. How old are you?
I'm in my late 20s.
You're in your late 20s, okay. What's your Instagram handle?
Ghetto_superstar.
Ghetto_.
Superstar.
What do you want in a woman and what's your like and dislike in a woman?
A woman who is very respectful and so caring.
Okay,
That's
so
all.
that's your like. What's about your dislike?
A woman who talks too much.
Okay.
Every complaints and all those stuff.
Okay. So what do you do for fun?
I do play game, you know.
You do play game for fun?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi. So, all of your value is on? Oh, wow. Sweetheart, then today you have a lot of questions to ask. Okay, at least one is out. Okay.
God have mercy upon us.
His age. He's a little boy.
His age, he's a little boy.
Yes.
Late 20, he's a little boy.
Yes.
How old are you?
I'm in my 27.
You are in your 27.
Yes. I said I'm in my 27.
So that's why, because of the age, that's why you just, if not the age, yeah, like.
I actually don't like the appearance, how he walked, how, like, say the Okasa didn't, like, I don't like, no.
So I want to ask you, then why didn't you pop your balloon when she walks in?
When he walked in, I wanted to know how he's going to talk, how he's going to flow the English, but the English is not to my liking.
So that's why you don't like it. That's why. The dressing too, you don't like.
Shishiko, but
Nice
the colors
hair,
are, even the way, all the dressing, one thing will bore me be the shoe. It bore me past everything where I stand here.
You just stand here because
Yeah,
of the
it bore me. I don't like it. Thank you, baby. I don't like, he's not my inspector and he's too short. I don't like fair guys, no.
Hey, but I thought today we were going to have a full house balloon. What is happening? Oh, it's a mistake.
No, it's not a mistake.
It's not a mistake. Okay, please, why?
Actually, everyone is keeping their balloons on, and I'm scared of competition.
You're just scared of competition. But he's your type of man.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Oh, in fact, please describe him for me right now. Let me dance. Describe him.
He's cute. He's handsome. I like. Can you remove your glasses a bit?
Do you want your balloon back?
But everyone is keeping their balloons. It's going to be a tight competition. I cannot.
You can't.
Unless he choose.
So the ones keeping their balloon, they are women warriors.
Maybe he needs someone who is a warrior. I'm not a warrior.
They are not a warrior just because of that. Okay. So let me start with. Yes, auntie, no, not yet. Sweetheart, talk. Why are you holding your balloon?
Please take care of that balloon for me, okay?
Hey, please take care of the balloon. Take care. Sweetheart.
Though, me pay said you ought to know.
Oh, person ought to know.
Yeah.
Catch your dano muka kama me. Aish. Oh, Santa te wakoma. Ni age na yeden. Osa. 20. Age in late 20. Late 20s ni osa ma.
Okay, then let me be specific with my age. I'm 23.
This man!
Like, older than ba.
Other than money in our pile balloon. Okay. Oh. In fact, I don't. Hey. You are here. Wait, I'll come. Let me. Me person me do two dear. Other day. Person me do two.
I'll buy a car for you, okay? You look very good.
He looks very good. From the Tikita Meba. So me. And then I'll pay.
I'm just doing giveaway. So I'll buy a car.
You are just doing giveaway. Just like that.
He's nice, he's cute, your dressing is on point. You look like a big man, but you're a liar.
Why?
Why is it your Mutia Kuma auntie? Oh, he's a liar. I didn't tell about who are inside also want 20. I feel the way I don't know corner. I feel the bro. I'm working hard.
Okay, sweetheart. Hello, darling. What's your name?
Presence.
And your age?
20.
20.
Yeah.
Okay, so why are you still holding your balloon for this fine Uncle Hill?
Because I like him.
You like him?
Yes.
You like the way he looks?
He's fair.
He's fair.
Yes.
He's nice. The liking is liking. So from the rates, 1 to 10.
Yes.
What number will you give him?
1 to 10.
1 to 10.
Yes,
Oh, so
I
1
like
to 10.
Yes.
Even if 100 is there, you add 100. Oh wow. Okay. So start.
Anyway, you look good though. Yeah, nice.
You are nice.
Your dressing is on point.
Okay.
I like him.
You like him.
In fact, I love him.
Okay.
You're a nice guy. Like, you're hairy. I like hairy guys, you know. Yeah.
No, we are fair. Away from competition.
No, we are fair. And then he's got height, he's got body. Oh, yeah, we only know who I want to the chest now abroad, but me do theater on us. Yeah. Dressing and so as everything is on point.
Okay.
But
the age is 23.
23. Me name 23. Ejuma ko be your de be shame.
About Ejuma.
What any age no like yeah, no pay. Aside that no.
Oh, the way you are getting and fasting of the balloons, you dear. Auntie. Hi, Ekia, hi. Ekia, what's your age? Let the gentleman know your age.
20.
20. Okay. So.
Hi, handsome.
Hi, baby.
Oh. Handsome, I'm even shy. Indeed, love is in the air.
Yeah.
Please, he's handsome.
Okay.
You know, what I said earlier on, I was like, I want a dark-skinned guy and a tall guy, but please.
But please.
I'm falling down flat.
Hey, down flat.
God have mercy upon us.
The song, I don't know how to sing
I
it.
fall for you down flat.
So this one you fall for him down flat.
Yes.
Ah.
But then regarding the job, he said he's a content creator and money is not that in, but then I will take care of him.
Hey, you take care of him.
Yes. The connection is there. I like him.
You like him?
Yes. He's handsome.
So, sweetheart, we have 3 balloons still on for you, yeah? So you have the chance to ask these ladies 3 questions each. And after that, you pop 2 of the balloons and then you take 1. So, Ekia, please, are you ready for the question?
Yes.
So please, go on with your first question.
Okay, based on my work I do, my personality, let's say if one day I'm broke down, and let me say you are to take care of the house for, let's say, like for just some 2 months, will you be able to do that?
Of course. That's why I'm trying hard to be an independent woman. Yeah.
No? 3 questions for her alone.
Okay. Ask for me, I won't ask, but that was the only question.
That's the only question you have for her. Okay. I hope you are doing your picking, oh. Sweetheart, have it for me. Okay. So please, your question for her.
Please, which work do you do? Which
What-
work do you do?
What work do you do? What do you
Okay,
do?
fashion design.
Fashion.
Designer.
Okay, you are coding.
Yes.
Okay, that's right. So, her question that actually can you give me?
Yes, I will stay because of the love.
Hey, because of love.
God
The
have mercy upon
competition,
us.
no.
Please pass the mic, okay? Please, what about you?
Yes, I will do.
Hey, yes, you will do.
You don't know why it's going on.
Okay. Okay. Wait, oh. I think this one, I have to ask the question this time. I think I have to ask the question this time. A very tricky question. I want a wicked question. Wicked one. Okay, I have one.
Okay.
So if your father, your father tells you to sit down,
Okay.
and he tells you that let's walk away, what will you do?
My father tells me to sit down and walk away.
When your father tells you to sit down, I'm talking to you, sit down.
Myself.
Yes,
Okay.
and he tells you, no, babe, let's go. What will you do?
It's gonna be hard though, but then
I know.
you know, they say blood is thicker than water.
Okay.
And you know, human beings change anytime.
Okay.
Do you get it? So, and no matter what happened, my dad is gonna be there for me, regardless of anything.
Okay.
Yes. So, I think
Let's have it. Let's have it.
I will quit my daddy. I'll just ignore him.
You ignore your daddy.
Yes.
God have
You ignore
mercy
your own
upon us.
father.
Yes.
Who gave birth to you.
Yeah.
Because of a man.
Yeah.
Okay, oh, sweet. Oh, yeah, I beg, please pass the mic. Sweetheart, you heard the question. Oh, yeah, answer now.
Like my first love, oh, my father.
Your first love now, your father.
I can't leave my father because of a man. Nah.
You can't leave your father because of a man. Please, I need a pin. Give me, sweetheart, give me your pin. Please don't pop. You pop. Okay, oh. Okay. Please, yeah.
I'll sit.
You will sit.
Yes, because I can't disrespect my dad because of a man.
Okay.
Just do that for me, Just pop that back.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Let me stand here. Ah! Is it a mistake? Is it a mistake? It's a mistake. It's a mistake. Ekia, is it a mistake?
Balu.
This man.
Ekia, you also have a question for him. You also, please have it. Okay.
So, can I ask you a question? Okay, so what if I have a tattoo? You can see on my back. And I have a lot of tattoos though. So what if you take me to see your parents and they are like, they don't like me, they dislike me, so they are not going to allow us to stay together? Are you going to listen to them or, be with me?
No, I'm not going to listen to them. So far as the tattoo is not exposed like that, it's as you say your back, hair is not exposed. Yeah, you took about it.
Okay.
I'm the only one to see it on bed or.
Okay. My next question. Okay, so supposing I had a car accident right now, and due to the car accident, I lost my legs, my hand, and I even got blind in the car accident. Are you still going to be with me?
Yeah, why not? Because of the love I have for you.
Photo.
Can you have another question again? Because I want to start dancing.
Auntie, please, can you?
Why?
Please, I intentionally asked that question because, see, I was involved in a car accident.
Okay.
I lost my leg, my hands, like my two hands, and I can't see. You still want to be with me, and you cheat on me.
Why are you thinking for him? Are you him?
No. Auntie.
Are you him?
Auntie, as I said earlier on, people change. People change.
You want your balloon back? You this, I won't give you balloon. You want your balloon back?
Give her a ball.
This man.
Are you sure?
Give her a ball.
Because what a they just broke my heart after dancing.
No, because
I can't give a ball.
Oh, you want your balloon back? Oh, you two want your balloon back? Oh, wow. Ekia, I'm so done with you right now. Like, you just broke my heart. Sweetheart, why did you take your balloon back? Why did you want your, why did you?
Okay, in the beginning, I like his vibe. I told you about it. And I was like, the competition. So right
now, the competition is
I cannot fight.
You can fight now.
No, I cannot fight. So if the competition is not there, I will fight. I can fight with one person or two people. Okay. But if there's a lot of people, I cannot.
Okay, then I'll come back to you. I like the way you took your balloon back. Sweetheart, why do you take your balloon back? I thought you said you don't like.
No, the fact that say, like Mrs. Tanu Bisani say, what if in case or the Nikochia ni parents? Yeah, nani parents. Yeah, I love that.
You love the answer. Yeah. Oh. This auntie there. Auntie. Our mother. Esther.
Auntie.
Why did you take your balloon back?
Please, your name again.
God's way.
God's way. Your work, please. Your work.
I'm a YouTuber and I'm a content creator too.
Okay, Auntie, I took my balloon because he knows how to speak, but let me bust it first.
What did he think about? She's wasting a balloon. Oh,
you see, he's disrespectful. I just pretended to pass the Ballon to see his reaction.
Oh, okay.
You understand?
So he's
men like this are quick-tempered. He's not my spec.
Okay. So then, sweetheart, God's way, you have 3 questions to ask them. You want to ask him a question? Okay, man.
Sorry if you answered this already, but I did not hear you. Like, what kind of lady do you want? The body type of the lady?
So far as the connection
is there.
So far as what?
The connection.
I'm okay with that.
So you don't have a body type spec?
Let's say tall, let's say chubby.
Okay.
I'm not going to even ask why you did because I think I know the answer, sweetheart. It'd be like, but why are you popping it? What's way why?
It's not my spec. Let me do that.
In fact, I'm not going to ask. So after me dancing and happy I was going to get another match. In fact, you people buy me new shoes, so.
The guy even wanted to disgrace us.
Okay. So no match, right?
He wanted to pass the
Yeah, ladies, no match.
That's why I'm taking it out.
God's way.
Let me say something.
Please say.
You see, in this life, they say what goes around comes around.
Yeah.
So,
Please, let him talk.
You guys have to know how to fight for a love. It's very important. It's very important.
Okay.
So you guys have to know to fight for a love. That's what I have for them.
All right. So God's way, thank you for coming, and maybe I'll see you some other time. So let us say bye-bye to God's way. Bye. I'm so hurt, and my heart is broken. I thought I was going to have another match, but it didn't go well. So stay tuned and meet you in the next episode.
Akuntanio ko. Hey, boga one. Na ay, start for baby kuntabia ma. And when the shop to mu.
Me disikani nyina egu LolliCash account no so.
Oh, you do it.
Me be spread mu mamu suro. Me be anya afa na me ha me $100 bebre egu me bag mu. Na yakobisa me sesika me de koye den. Ma load ni nyina egu me LolliCash account ni mu.
That's right.
Enti sa me ba be di dwuma bia wo hanom a me tua free mu straight.
Hey, baby a LolliCash app ne dru no. Na chere say wo dollars no egu wallet mu. Enso to ade wa Ghana hanom a. Ense se be cedis.
Sa pepepe. Ti se me kwa brochira, me sika ni nyina no me load gu me LolliCash account no so. Abrochira baby a me wo bia no. Ade bia me pe bia me timi to. Na app no a convert sika no akọ country ni sika no so. Na me de adi me dwuma.
Inti America, Canada, and Europe countries now. LolliCash app no so no. Sa
app na ngasa be convert akọ say American dollar, say Canadian dollar, say India for sika e bia app no convert mami. Enti transaction is simple kra.
LolliCash app no eye guy pa. Account na etisika no etem sa no entetew.
Debi LolliCash account there. Ye ntew say de ebi no ye no. Ulo di atwumu a bibia animu no ne ati bibi kakra. Me be wie no ma send bia ba momo mu. Na me de akontan so de akon account mu ama no.
Thank you. Account hold my ink in ko. Enti obia and download the LolliCash app no e wo Google ana Apple Store. Number start and send sika and mama busha for mo na fonom e wa mo no ne. Babia LolliCash
24/7 send sika.
Hello viewers, welcome back to the Lovers Match Show. And this show is proudly sponsored by LolliCash. Okay, so ladies, are you ready for the next person? Yes. Okay, single man coming.
Dissolve.
Hey, now I'm shake. Wow. Hello, guys. Hey, see, because of your rasta, I'm confused. I'm in love with you guys in drag. So good. Tina, what's your name? Okay. Praise from where? Oh, okay. What do you do?
Trade.
You trade. Online trading, I guess. Okay, what's your age? 22. What do you like? Why do you like him, everyone? it's true. This is again, you have to learn it, you have to also learn how to play it. You these ladies, okay. Let me start with you because you left your balloon and then later why did you pop your balloon? The age. Just because of the age, so you don't. What type of age? What age you want? 27 gold. So because of that, just because of the age. Okay.
I'm so sorry. I don't like guys with dread.
Huh? So when you have passion on guys with dread, you don't like guys with dread? So we might take with guys with dread and
I don't like guys with dread. Like, it's just...
Really? So just because of the dread? So without the dread, you were okay with him?
Yeah, it's not bad. It's so cute, but just the dread. Yeah, if you're going to remove the dread, yeah.
Will you remove the dread for him? You can't do that. Your bed is your bed. My guy, be there. You Rastas don't mind if you don't like the dread.
That's right. You are not romantic.
They hard.
Me?
Yes, sir. Do that.
Well, it's too slim.
It's too slim. It's really what person will think.
I am a Rasta. I don't like
You don't like the Rasta. It's because of the dread.
Yeah, I like small.
Because of the Rasta.
He has small body.
Small, but then you want. See, so because you people are beginning to even let me get angry. Me, I like Rasta. You people are talking Rasta. I hope somebody will say Rasta again, no, because me Rasta is my favorite. Anyway, sweetheart, I hear. Okay, so let's see. You darling. Make sure you buy a car.
Hey, handsome. How are you?
I'm good.
Your name again?
Chris.
Chris. Nice name.
Why did you pass your balloon?
He's too small. I'll kill him.
Auntie, 10 for me. I want to see something. You 10 for me.
Let's have it.
And he's too small.
His age.
I
like from 30 going.
Okay. You like from 30 going?
Yes, please.
Hey, Adidas.
And the Rasta, it's nice, but it doesn't.
Rasta and it doesn't now. Okay, Mate. That's it. My main choose you. I want to finish with this lane. Hi. Ekuya, why did you pass your balloon?
Your age? 22. And this is the age, and he's on my spec.
He's not your spec and then the age. Why is he not your spec?
The age.
What age you want?
I'm 20, so I should get someone like 30, like 30s.
So you want someone 10 years older than you?
Yes, I want someone who can correct me when I'm wrong.
Okay.
Yes,
but you think he can't correct you when you're wrong?
No, I didn't say that. But then, I'm in my 20s, and there's this still baby listening in me. Do you get it? So I need somebody who can correct me when I'm going wrong.
Okay.
Somebody, who can, direct me and also impart something in me, because someone who is 30 has been through a lot.
Okay.
So, yes.
I get that.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you. So I am done with you 4 ladies, right? So let me 3. Okay, sweetie.
No hard feelings. He's not my spec. I don't want to talk much.
No hard feelings. I want to ask you why he's not your spec.
Auntie, he's not my spec. He's short.
What was his short?
His age.
What height do you want?
Auntie, I said it. I once said it. I said I'm 7.1.
So you want 7?
So I want 7 upwards.
And then his age too. What age do you want?
We are in our 20s.
Okay.
Nibufua.
Whoa, if you
yeah, scatter BBS. Because me, if I get angry, we'll scatter everything in the room. We'll buy another one. I don't want that. Me po be an here fee. And the way you cry when you say, "What kind of I am from?" So no, because I say, "Baby, I'm sorry." You understand?
So that someone older than you can say that, right?
Sure. He knows how to handle, understand hard situations, hard feelings, all those things. And you say, sorry, baby. Sorry, now you move on. Sorry, sir. Until when? I want a sugar daddy. Someone like 35, 40 apples, you understand?
All right. Okay. Thank you. Sweetheart, how are you?
I'm good.
I hope you are enjoying the show.
Yes, I am.
Okay. So why did you pop your balloon for him?
Chris, how are you? Okay, so forget about the age, there is something called maturity.
Okay.
So my ladies, obo house aba, ajine grow. I just don't like the dread. Think I will try say na why extra get to be there.
But send a baby
Yes, a dose. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And then you chrome hanum say impenyu for no musa only the tag won't be nice. So I just don't like the dread.
All right.
That's all.
Thank you. Okay, sweetheart.
Hi, anyways. Hope everything is fine. Sure. He's just not my spec.
He's just not your spec. Why is he not your spec?
Actually, I want a TikTok guy. Someone who is hairy.
Someone is hairy.
Dark, of course, but and the Rasta too, I don't like.
You just don't like your Rasta. Hey, what's shocking you?
If
when
you
you Rasta. You can't cut your Rasta off, right? Okay. Okay.
You're a nice guy, okay? Don't feel guilty, okay?
So do you have something to tell the ladies?
Actually, I want you to see because everyone has his spec and everything that you need to do. So I think the one is very right.
Okay. Okay. All right. So no match. Okay. So then, Chris, thank you for coming. Bye-bye. This my ladies. Okay. Catch you on the next episode. Hello, viewers. Welcome back to the Lovers Match Show. And this show is proudly sponsored by LolliCash. So, ladies, are you ready? Yes. Okay. Single man coming.
Kasongo, yeah. Mombari nanga. Kasongo, mbona wewe.
Hello. Hi. Please stand here for me now. The way you are closer, you here, stand here. Let me look at you well. Oh, you people who have posted your balloon, you all know. How are you, please?
I'm fine.
Please, what's your name?
My name is Barrister.
Barrister.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you do?
I'm a videographer. I'm an editor and a businessman as well.
Oh, I see.
That's a connection, man.
How old are you?
24.
24. Please, what's your IG handle?
Barrister 20.
Barrister 20.
Underscore 20.
Please, what are you looking for in a woman? And what's your type of woman?
Honestly, basically, I don't have a type as in like type. If the heart wants what he wants, there's nothing you can do.
Or if the heart wants what he wants, there is nothing you can do. Yeah. Oh, what a nice one. What do you do for fun?
Let's say, what do I do for fun?
Yeah.
I swim for fun.
You swim for fun.
Yeah.
And what is your like and dislike?
For you to disrespect me, as in like insult me or something like when I'm done.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I can see 5 balloons not popped yet. So let me go to... Oh yeah, you popped your balloon first. Okay. Sweetheart, why did you pop your balloon?
The age.
The what?
The age.
The
age.
The age.
Yes.
What is wrong about his age?
He's 24.
Okay. How old are you?
20.
28.
28.
And 24. Okay.
And also, he's so fine. All the balloons are on.
So are you trying to tell me no competition here?
No, I'm too big for that.
You are too big for a competition.
Yes.
So you can't fight for what you love.
I can, but then there are many.
There are many. Yeah. There are too many balloons, so you can't.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So, sweetheart, why did you pop your balloon? The age. So just because of the age. But still, am I lying? I know people marry people older than them. People date people older than them. Why are you so, you are so on the age? Why? No. I'm 19 years. You are 19 years, and you someone 5 years older than you, no. Still you don't like. Still you don't like because he's just because of the age. Not because of anything, just the age. Okay. Auntie. Okay, madam. Why did you, I don't even know the question to ask again.
Hello, handsome.
Yeah.
Please, your name again?
Barrister.
Yeah. Barrister. Okay, auntie. He's handsome. He's cute. He's everything I want in a guy. But
let's have it.
His age.
The age. You have to change your age. I think you have to say you're 30 next time because
I need to ask something.
You need because everybody is like age.
Yeah. As I said, I love everything about him, but his age and as he stands, you can see he will like food.
Yes. Like bad boy. Bad boy.
You're an actor, so it's normal.
Have a slight comedy aspect.
Slight comedy.
Yeah, okay. He will like fooling power. As he stands and cry, you can see
he's already funny standing. He looks like Incommode. I can see that.
I don't know if everybody sees that, but only me, I see it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
He's nice. He's cute.
He's nice. He's cute, but the age.
The age.
Okay. All right. Let me go to. Hi, darling. Hi. Please don't tell me the age again, because I'll fall on you today, My bet is on you, It's already on. Okay, sweetheart. Why are you keeping that balloon?
Yeah, he's handsome.
Handsome?
Yeah, he's not bad.
He's not bad.
Has a nice lip.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's why you're still keeping your balloon.
Yeah.
Okay. Darling. Hello, ma. Why are you still having your balloon on?
My spec.
He's your spec. Oh, like it. You like everything about him?
Yes.
The hair,
Everything.
the facials, the body, including the dressing.
Yeah.
What about the spectacles?
Everything.
Everything about him. Today, not today. Today, not today. Hold your waist. Hold your waist.
God have mercy upon us.
Breathe in and out. Sweetheart, why are you still having your balloon on?
Hi, once again.
Yeah, hi, what's up?
Yeah, nice.
Thank you. You're also nice.
Actually, he's my spec.
Hi, today na war. Today na war. My sisters is say na war.
He's my spec.
He's just your spec. Oh yeah. Sweetheart.
Hello, Barrister. How are you? Okay. You know, I like him.
You like him?
He's got a cute smile.
Oh, please smile for me. Oh. Okay.
And he's got a thick body. I like guys with broad chest, I can easily put my head on you and.
Okay.
He's nice. Yeah. And then he has a thick voice.
Oh, like
on barista.
Yeah. Okay, I get it. I get you, girl.
Yeah, so can you please give me 360?
Aww. Please, I'm coming. Oh, please, if you know you have popped your balloon, please keep quiet. Keep quiet. Thank you. Oh yeah, sweetheart.
Okay. So, me also be a kind of spec. I don't know if I'm a spec, but
You
he is
like it?
yeah.
Sweetheart, keep your balloon on. Or you don't know what might happen.
Yeah.
Okay. Oga, madam, you go buy car. This one a house, so mansion.
I'm taking you home, okay?
This one is I'm taking you home.
I like your voice. You are very cute.
Thank you.
You're a nice guy, okay?
Ash. Okay, Barrister, you have 3 questions to ask all the ladies that have their balloon on. So let me start from. Okay, all right, dear.
Alright, before I keep my balloon on for you, please, what's the type of the body type of a lady you want? I just want to know the body type of a lady.
I said everything goes fine. If your heart wants to
Everything goes the
Everything
second.
goes. Alright.
Okay, so you can keep your mic. Keep the mic. So please, you have 3 questions to ask each lady still having the balloon
3
on.
questions.
3 questions.
Please, your name.
Focus.
Okay.
Your
Your age.
age.
I'm in my 20s.
Your 20s. Okay. What work do you do? Or are you a student?
Come again?
Your occupation.
The work
I'm a
you
model.
do.
I'm a model. Yeah.
That's nice. Okay.
So that's your 3 questions. No any important question you want to ask? You should go and come. Okay. All right. Oh, you have the mic already. Okay. So.
Yes, your name.
Princess.
Princess.
Yes.
Your age.
20.
20. Okay. What work do you do?
Eh?
What work do you do?
Oh.
What work do you do?
Okay, fashion design.
Fashion designer.
That means you can sew dresses for me, right?
Yes.
For free. For free, right?
Free care? No.
Your husband, no. Your husband, no.
My husband will do it free.
Okay, yeah, we'll come there. Let's move on. Hello, what's your name?
Magdalene.
Magdalene. What work do you do? What work do you do?
I'm a student.
Yes, student. Which school?
Accra Technical University.
Okay. What level?
Level 200.
200. Sure.
Okay.
Okay, your name?
Adepa.
Adepa. What work do you do?
Mommy's girl, I'm a DB.
DB. God of DB. So let's go. Okay, so you sponsor me, right?
Oh, why not? I'll buy a car for you.
This year?
Sure.
Your name?
I'm Nanikia.
Anikia.
Yes.
What work do you do?
I'm a student. Yeah, I'm a student of the University of Professional Studies. I'm in my 20s. Yeah.
How's good?
Please, 1 minute. Why did you pop your balloon?
I don't want any challenge, I beg.
You can't hold the
I'm
challenge.
a very soft girl.
Ha! After buying a house and taking him home, you can't.
I don't want to cry.
You don't want to. Hey, right now you're going to cry right now. Okay. You still haven't asked the question I want you to ask, Barrister.
She said she can't compete with someone. What did you say? You said you're very soft girl, right? Okay.
So
that means if I'm with you, if other girls want to flirt with me like they are flirting with me some way,
I will shoot you.
Hey, I can see.
To prevent that, I have to move on.
Okay, so Barrister, my 3 questions, you just asked their name and their age. I want you to ask them a question. If you are going to date a lady, you will ask that lady. So I'm going to give the mic to them again. But before that, hey, please, who just, Auntie, why?
Auntie, he just said something. He said, so when I'm with you and other girls want to flirt with me, I just don't like guys who flirt. You know, I'm a jealous type. What did you say?
I said, I made a mistake and I said, what if I'm with you and other girls are flirting with me? It has a meaning. You see, other girls, the same way you all are saying he's a nice guy, he's blah, 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 blah. Some other lady can see me from a family like he likes me, but I don't know what is actually, the person can come from another. So when you see that, you are going to shoot me.
No. I won't shoot you again. I'm sorry. I won't shoot you.
You shoot me again.
Okay, so.
No, this one here, no. I've seen the fire. I'll not go close.
You not go close. Okay. So please ask the question for me. That question will ask a woman you want to go out with. Yeah.
Question.
If you finish your question, I also have a question for them.
If you know how to cook, you're very hardworking. I'm okay.
You are okay. So I think he doesn't have any question. So let me, Mamaga, ask question for him. Okay, my question is, if you guys are going out together and then the mother wants to sit at the front, you also want to sit at the front, will you allow the mother to sit at the front, or you will say, oh no, I am the wife, so I have to sit at the front?
As I'm his wife, his mother has to know that I am his wife. So the front seat belongs to me, not to his mother. The mother's front seat is for his husband's front seat, not my husband's front seat. Is for his mother. The front seat is for I and my husband.
Okay.
It's for us, not for his mother.
Okay. Pacho, wow, apa Ballon kasebio.
So I want to ask her a question back.
Okay, sweetheart, you give the mic to her and let's yes.
So you said that front seat belongs to you. That one I know. The day I'll buy the car, you'll be the first person to take place over there. So let's say, what if my mother still insists that she wants to be at the front seat? What will you do?
You guys can go, I'll come.
You can go, you come.
Yes.
I want you to be at the front seat.
If I will not sit in the front seat, your mother will not understand. No argument. I don't want you and your mother to have argument because of me. So you guys can go. I'll book a boat and come.
That and sit at the back so one manager can go and come down.
Look, the front seat belongs to me, and I want to sit closer to my man. I want to feel my man driving. I mean, I want to.
What if I'm trying to talk to my mother? I'm trying to talk to my mother for her.
That means you are the one stopping me to sit there.
She doesn't want to accept it. So what will you do right now?
You are if you are the one trying to stop me to sit there, it's different from your mother stopping me to sit there.
And I'm saying, here lies the case. I'm also trying to convince my mom to go to the back, but she doesn't want to do. So you as the wife, what are you going to do?
I said, oh, it's okay. Mommy, you can go. I'm coming. Let me take something from the house so you can go. I'm coming.
What if you are coming with another car? There is an accident.
No, not the accident.
No.
Maybe your car, the one that nobody you.
Driving you are safe. You know, in your mind, 100% you are safe. But somebody else driving.
Let me come in here. Why don't you sacrifice and sit at the back seat? Mommy is not going to stay in the house forever.
Maybe it might depend, but for me, the front seat belongs to me and my husband. That's all.
So
the front seat belongs to her and the husband.
That means if I have, let's say, there is an issue, you are not going to forget about it. You are not going to help us solve the issue. You are just going to let go like that. You walk out of the relationship simple, that's all. Without hearing anything from me.
Due to love, I might say I will consider for some conditions. If you said so, I should go and sit at the back. That means you are the one who said so. If your mother is the one agree with me, it's different from you are agree with me.
I said my mother is the one trying to.
If you ask me to go to the back seat, it's different from your mother asking me to go to the back seat.
I've not asked you to go to the back seat. You know the front seat.
Yeah, so the front seat belongs to me.
My mother wants to sit there. I'm telling my mother to go to the back.
So, like your mother is sitting down already before I come from the.
Before you came from
the down is not a problem. I'll just come and sit. But if I'm there already and she comes down, so I should stand up and sit down. No, I will not do it.
That one, me myself, I'm not even going to toilet.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, sweetheart.
Is that a only question?
Same question. Goes to you. What will you do?
I will leave her.
You.
I will leave her. I will go back.
You go to the back seat.
Yes.
You not argue with mommy.
No.
You just keep quiet and go to the back seat.
Yes.
Sweetheart.
With all due respect, I also go to the back seat.
Hey, with all due respect. Hi, the competition is competing. Okay.
For the lady in the black and the lady in the black, the answers they gave was very reasonable. Meaning they are going to, no matter what, they know I'm yes, I'm yours.
Okay.
No matter what, you know I'm your husband. Whatever that happens outside, we'll engage.
I have another question.
What question?
So you, the one you don't want, go pop the balloon. Please don't pop it if it is you. No one should pop it. Please, you.
The one I don't want.
Yes, the one that didn't give you a right answer. You can pop the question balloon. You
Then we'll go to another question mark and come and pop again.
Yes, then you have your date.
Our
So,
date.
yeah.
Okay. What do you think?
Okay. So my other question. I can see my uncle. He can't ask questions. So me, Mama Gal asks. My question.
Yes.
For him. So the question is, you go and then you meet your man sitting with a woman.
Yes.
You don't know who the woman is, but you just go there. What would be your first reaction towards the situation?
I will ask, who is she?
Over there?
Yes.
Okay.
I will not quarrel with them.
Okay.
I will first ask him, who is she? That's all.
Is the answer okay for you?
Okay.
It's okay.
So just ask who is she.
Where people are, she will
in the
ask.
midst of people. She wants
Midst of people.
The temple
No.
depends on the temple she comes with. Like, babe, who is she? That one.
No.
So how will you go with
but
it?
maybe coming close to my ears, be like, babe, who is she? That one. Or maybe
Yes.
first
Or
to
I will, if you
try
reach
to,
out, I feel
let's say,
asking.
talk to the lady like, oh, hello, hi, how are you? That one there is fine, but before asking, they are fine. I love the question, the answer, so let's move on to the next person.
Okay, sweetheart. Okay. Yes, ma'am. You too, the same question.
With all due respect.
Yes, please.
I'll tell the lady to excuse us and I'll ask my man, who is she?
Okay.
Politely.
Okay.
Tell the lady to excuse us. Okay. Is it not like, let's say, is the question you asked, is it that we are sitting, the lady and I are sitting down somewhere?
You were somewhere
So the lady
in the
should
public.
Okay, then I'll call the guy.
Okay.
Then I ask him
You
one
ask
on
for
one.
permission and send me away.
Yes.
Okay. That's
You like the answer?
I love that.
So right now you love the answer. Which one are you going to
You
wait?
said you have a lot of questions. So right?
What do you think about his dressing he brought?
Well, as Nigeria put the dress, now so he dress so.
That's so he dressed.
That's what I like.
So you like him because he dressed like a Nigerian
guy.
So from 1 to 10, how will you rate him?
10.
10?
10 over 10.
Okay. Oga,
Yeah.
same thing goes to you. What do you think about his hairdressing?
You see, waiting about the dress, let's say, everyone in his own
Her
closet,
own.
10 over 10.
10 over 10. And do you like her?
I like her.
Okay. Auntie, what do you like about his dressing?
I'm okay.
You are okay?
Everything is on point.
Everything is on point?
Yes, please.
Uncle?
Yeah.
Uncle?
Yeah.
What do you think about hairdressing? 360. Please, 360. Hey.
10 over 10.
Okay, 10 over 10. Right now, me, myself, I don't know what to do again. Okay. So, right now, I'm giving you the chance to pop one balloon. Since they are all 10 over 10.
One balloon.
Yes. So,
I want to ask the last question.
Okay.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, please.
Know how to cook well. Very well. What tribe are you?
Gadangi.
Gadangi. Oh, okay. 100% or 50-50 somewhere?
100%.
100%. Move to the next one. Do you know how to cook well?
Yes.
You said you're from Nigeria?
Yes, I'm from Nigeria.
Wow. So you can cook Ghana dishes? Or you can't?
No, can't cook.
You want
Okay.
me to teach you?
Yes, can't teach you.
My mother will teach you.
Anyone.
It's becoming very difficult for me to pass the ballon.
Because you don't.
It's possible for me to take the 2 there I can find.
Oh no, you have to take one. You have to take one.
Oh, I'm not done. Are you both to decide for me?
Sorry.
I should pop one and leave
Please.
one.
Yes, you have to pop one and leave one.
I wanted to a small dance. You should dance.
And then please, can I get a music? Or I should sing for you. Okay, me now sing. Okay, please. Oh yeah, they said please. Please can he start? I want them to dance with him and see.
No, not dance with me. They'll dance themselves.
Oh God. Okay, sweetheart, please come.
Let them play music.
Please, I need them. I need music, please. I need music, please. Because today, it's more than a king choosing a queen. Okay, sweetheart. Okay. Okay. Sweetheart, give me the mic and also come and show your skills. Yeah? Okay, come. Yes. Okay. All right. Hey.
This man.
Hey. Oh, God. So do we have a match? Do we have a match? It's like today, I am just happy. I am just happy. Okay. Mr. and Mrs., please help yourself. So we have another match, and their lunch or dinner is proudly sponsored by LolliCash. So please, do you want lunch or dinner?
Lunch or dinner?
Choose one, because LolliCash is proudly sponsoring you people your dinner. In fact, clap for them. We have a match. Okay, please take your wife. Go. Take your wife. Please introduce.
If you don't like that.
Auntie, shush. Please. We are introducing our wife. You won't be interested. Okay, thank you. Thank you, viewer. This is the end of the show, and I think I'm just happy because I just love it when everything ends right. Okay, so please, we are done with Lovers Match, so catch you on the next episode. Thank you.